Hi, my name is Ray from QualityDoor.com, and today we're going to review the Sargent 10XG38 Classroom Security Intruder Lock. We're going to review exactly what the lock is and how it works. As a teacher, your top priority is the safety and security of your students. Unfortunately, schools are not immune to any security threats, and that is where the 10XG38 Classroom Security Intruder Lock comes in. So, let's get right into it. In the box, you get your instruction manual, a set of screws, the push pin, the striking plate, 2 sets of keys, the latching hardware, and the cylindrical lock itself. This is part of Sargent 10X line series locks, which is engineered to secure and protect high traffic, high abuse spaces. So, what does that mean? Not only does it meet the ANSI DHMA Grade 1 performance standards, but it exceeds it by as much as 20 times. What are some features of this 10XG38 function lock? For one, the lock can easily be locked from the inside and in the event of an emergency, which keeps the intruder out and the student safe. This lock also features a lockdown function, which allows the door to be locked from the outside in response to an active threat. Again, meant to keep the students in the classroom safe. Lastly, the lock features an unrestricted egress function, which prevents the possibility of being trapped from the inside. So whether the door is locked from the outside or the inside, you will always be able to exit the room from the inside. So that makes the Sargent 10XG38 the most popular locks to use for a school institution to provide the safety and security that your students need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to follow us on all our social media, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all your commercial door hardware needs. We'll see you in the next one.